We will now show you how to connect the PAK measuring computer with the MicroQ. The MicroQ works from the software version PAK 510 onwards. To switch on the MicroQ, please press the power button until the two LEDs under the power button light up blue. While the MicroQ is booting, the three LEDs on the left side light up one after the other from left to right. When the first two LEDs light up in solid green, the MicroQ is ready for use. The correct firmware is installed on the MicroQ by default. We connect our MicroQ and the measuring computer with an unshielded network cable. The network card of the measuring computer must be configured so that the IP address is obtained automatically. To do this, we open the adapter settings in the network settings and make sure that the option is set correctly. The MicroQ can also obtain its IP address automatically. We will not need to configure anything else at this point.